This video is an introduction to the lsblk command. The lsblk command is used for listing block devices and their properties in Linux. lsblk is a Linux utility that displays information about all available or specified block devices in a tree-like format. It's a very helpful command when dealing with disks and partitions. The basic syntax of the lsblk command is as follows: lsblk followed by options, and then optionally a specific device name. It displays block devices in a tree format with their mount points and other properties. Here is a sample output of the lsblk command. The output shows the name of the device, major and minor numbers, whether it is a removable device, its size, whether it is read-only, the type of device, and where it is mounted. For example, SDA1 is a partition mounted on the boot directory, SDA3 is mounted on the root directory, and SR0 is a read-only memory. Here are some common options for the lsblk command. lsblk with the option F will show file system information. lsblk with the option A will show all devices, including empty ones. Here are some additional options for the lsblk command. lsblk with the option P will show the full device paths. lsblk with the options will show only the small computer system interface, commonly known as SCSI devices. You can customize the output of the lsblk command by specifying the columns you want to display with the O option. For example, lsblk O name size type MOUN will display only the name, size, type, and mount point of each block device. Key takeaways from this video are that lsblk provides a clear view of all block devices, and it is essential for system administration and storage management. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.